Ever wondered how to embark on the journey of obtaining a driver's license in Pennsylvania? This video will guide you through it. Understanding the process is crucial, not just for your success, but to ensure a safe and smooth journey on the road. We'll walk you through the main steps, starting with acquiring a learner's permit, moving on to preparing for the road test, and finally, the issuance of your shiny new license. Are you ready to jump into the specifics? Buckle up and let's hit the road. First things first, you need to start with a learner's permit. Diving right in, let's talk about the requirements. You must be at least 16 years old to apply for a learner's permit in Pennsylvania. This is your first step toward freedom on the open road. Now you'll need to prove who you are. For identification, you can use a valid U.S. passport or a birth certificate with a raised seal. A social security card is also necessary. If you were born outside the U.S., you'll need to provide additional documentation. Your vision is key to safe driving, so a vision test is part of the process. If you wear glasses or contact lenses, bring them along. You'll need to demonstrate that you can see well enough to drive safely. Next, you'll need to fill out the DL-180TD form, also known as the Parent or Guardian Consent Form. This form needs to be completed by a parent, guardian, or spouse who is 18 years or older. The written knowledge test is a crucial part of acquiring a learner's permit. This test will assess your understanding of traffic signs, motor vehicle laws, and safe driving techniques. Don't worry, there are plenty of resources available to help you prepare. And there you have it. Once you pass your knowledge test, you'll receive your learner's permit. It's time to start practicing. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the road to becoming a licensed driver is a journey, not a race. Now that you've got your learner's permit, it's time to prepare for the road test. The road test is a practical examination of your driving skills, so it's essential to get as much practice as possible before the big day. Pennsylvania law requires you to complete a minimum of 65 hours of behind-the-wheel training. This isn't just a random number, but a carefully calculated amount of time that allows you to become comfortable and confident on the road. Within those 65 hours, at least 10 should be at night, and 5 should be in poor weather conditions. Night and adverse weather driving present unique challenges, and it's crucial to be prepared for anything that might come your way. Practice is key, but it's not just about racking up hours, it's about mindful, focused driving, where you actively work on improving your skills. Make sure you're comfortable with all aspects of driving, from parallel parking to merging onto a highway. As you progress, start thinking about scheduling your road test. The test can be scheduled up to 6 months in advance, so plan ahead. Remember, the test is not designed to trick you, but to ensure you can safely navigate the roads. Think of preparing for the road test as a journey. Each drive is an opportunity to improve, to learn, and to become a safer, more confident driver. With enough practice under your belt, you're ready for the road test. Remember, practice makes perfect. You've made it to the final step, the road test. It's time to show your skills. This is where all your practice and preparation pay off. The road test is designed to assess your ability to operate a vehicle and adhere to traffic laws. You'll be asked to perform various maneuvers, including the infamous parallel parking. But don't sweat it. If you've practiced, you'll ace it. During the test, the examiner will observe your overall driving skills, your attention to the road, awareness of other drivers, and your ability to make safe driving decisions. Remember, they're not looking for perfection, but for safety and competence. Once you pass the road test, you're not quite done yet. You'll first receive a temporary license. This allows you to drive legally while you wait for your permanent license. But don't worry, the wait isn't long. Shortly after passing the test, you'll receive a camera card in the mail. This is your ticket to getting your official photo license. Take this card to any PennDOT photo license center, get your picture taken, and voila! You're now the proud owner of a Pennsylvania driver's license. Remember, the road test is not a one-time thing. It's a continuous process of learning and improving. Always strive to be a safe and responsible driver. Congratulations, you've now got a clear roadmap to obtaining your Pennsylvania driver's license. Safe travels on your driving journey.